bruising. Just do another area, do the quads or do your feet, roll your feet. Right, I'm going to place my hands behind me. So I've got the weight on both calves, on the belly of the muscle, so it's sort of the meatier area. And then just let the weight just gently move from side to side. If all feels fine and you think, put a little bit more weight on there, I want you to take your left ankle and just cross it over your right. Work around as well, sort of go around to the outside, because you've got your tibialis muscles here as well, lateral and medial. So you can just move around, so it's not just calf. And you've got a deeper calf muscle as well, soleus. You've got all sorts going on here. So if you do come across sort of any bumpy bits, does feel a bit bubble wrappy, you can hold it there, again, up to around 90 seconds. Breathing in, breathing out. Just feel just a little bit there, but we've done, I think with walking club really, we've done quite a bit of lateral work this week. And our balance, very often you can just find it on the sort of the outside of what you might call your shin. We can massage the shin, but obviously we certainly don't put trigger points on it, because you can tell it's quite a bony area, isn't it? And you can move, roll it down slightly, so work around the, sort of more around the base of the calf. Gently, you can go into your Achilles tendon. That's how it feels. If there's any tension there, you might get a little pull into the heel, just sort of ease off slightly, because we know the Achilles sort of attaches your calf muscle into the heel. And who knows, you know, with this plantar fasciitis, the plantar flexor, the base of the foot, I've never had it, thank goodness, but it's supposed to be very painful. Who knows, could it come from the calf? It's all connected, isn't it? Just breathe. And then just work onto the inside of it as well. And if it does feel sort of super painful and you're like, oh, just take the other leg off it. Because what we don't want to do is have real agony, because otherwise I think it's going to lock up and tighten. So we don't want that, but we do need to get in there. The body is pretty robust. And I'm going to change legs. You might want to sort of hang in there for a little bit longer, but always just sort of palpate.